Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make Discord guild badge. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So first of all you have to do is go to Discord and then make sure that you own your own server, or at least you're the leader of one. If you don't have one, simply click on add server, create your own and finish all the settings. From here go to the server that you're in, click on LLC, and then from here you're going to go to the server settings. Now from here all you have to do is click on the left side where it says guild settings, and then from here you're going to select whichever game that you would like to play. And then from here you're going to select the playstyle, either casual or very competitive. And then from here you're going to select the traits that you will have. And then finally you're going to select the description that everyone would see when they join the server for the first time. And for here, as you can see, the guild badges. And from here you can customize whatever you want and select any of them that you need. Now, since this feature is still very experimental, there is another option that you can do to get the server tag right now, but it won't be your own. Simply go to the guild archive right here. I'm going to leave a link in the description. It's going to be the first one. Join the server and then go to the tags right here. And as you can see, there are many tags for you to choose from. And from here, you can select whichever one you would want and then join the server that tag is with. And then from here, you're going to go to from here, all you have to do is go to user settings and then edit the user profile. Scroll down until you see the server tags, and as you can see now I have two options that I can select from, either the sword or the lightning. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, see you next time, bye bye.